Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create these photo wave animations in the CapCut PC. So in here, I've already added a photo into the CapCut PC, and you can start by going to effects. Then on the video effects here, just find the ripple effect, ripple distortion. Then here you can just click on the effect, download it first if you haven't, and then click on plus or just drag it to the photo, adjust the durations. Now you can just adjust the blur, the twist. I'm going to go with around 15. Then here you can also adjust the speed. If you want to go slow, just lower it. And here you can also adjust the size, the sharpen, and the strength. You can see the preview by playing the preview in here, the player, and that's basically it. But if you want to, you can also add the light leaks effects in here. I'm going to find light leaks, and for example, here I'm going to add this leak one. You can just drag it like this. Don't forget to adjust the duration to match with the photo. Okay, like this. For example, here you can also adjust the atmosphere, and this is the result. So guys, that's how you can create the photo wave animations. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.